What's going on, guys? GT Jesse here, and in today's video we are installing a carbon fiber duckbill spoiler from Extreme Online Store on my 2020 Subaru WRX STI. Now guys, real quick, before we get started, a couple things I want to point out are just the tools that you need for this job. So with each of these spoilers, you're going to get a double-sided tape kit from Extreme. It's going to come with an alcohol pad that you can use to wipe down your surfaces before you apply the double-sided tape. You want to make sure your hands are nice and clean so that you don't get any oils or residue on the double-sided tape, and it makes a really good contact or connection with the spoiler and your paint. And then as far as the tools, so you have to remove the trunk liner from your trunk. So you've got a bunch of these pop clips here. If you guys don't have one yet, get yourself a pop clip remover tool. I actually bought one on Amazon that came with a whole kit, and it has came in so handy with all of the different projects that I do on my car, running underglow and lighting, taking off fender liners. A pop clip remover tool makes your life so much easier. While you are doing this project, I also recommend replacing the janky stock license plate lights. So these are just your standard, I think they're incandescent, but just your standard license plate bulbs, and they have a yellow hue. They make an Amazon kit. I'm going to link it in the description. That's super easy to install. It actually replaces the whole housing, and they're pretty inexpensive as well. And they just give you that nice, crisp, bright, kind of white, cool light using LEDs. So they look really good, and they're available on Amazon. And then the last thing, guys, with any carbon fiber parts that you put on your car, I highly recommend putting some kind of surface coating on them because it's just going to make them last that much longer. This coating specifically is from 2OH, and it is a graphene ceramic coating. This is also available on Amazon. That's why I use it, because guys, convenience is key. I'll link that in the description as well. So let's go on ahead and jump right in, and I'll show you guys what these two spoilers look like, and then we'll go through the installation process for one of them. And so the first thing is, if you have a WRX, you're going to have to take off the factory spoiler. You're basically going to have two 8mm bolts that are going to be on either end, and then you're just going to have a couple of push clips, like you see this blue push clip here, that actually just creates a little bit of friction. But after you remove those two 8mm bolts, you'll be able to pull the spoiler right off. Of course, in order to get in here, you have to remove your trunk liner, and so that's what you need the pop clip removal tool, because normally when you open your trunk, it's going to look like this, right? You're going to have this trunk liner on, and everywhere where you have these holes, you're going to have to take that off. So 10 points with the pop clip remover tool. It's going to make your life a lot easier. You got your trunk taken apart, and now you're ready to do the installation. First off, let me go on ahead and show you guys the build quality on this spoiler. So I've been handling it, so it's got some fingerprints on it. Just ignore that. But look at the weave, look at the gel coat. It is really good quality. What I've found is most of Extreme's parts, their carbon fiber parts, are definitely on the cost-effective side of things. I'm so glad I found this company because their parts are really competitively priced, but they don't sacrifice quality, which is really nice. So there we go. We got all of our double-sided tape on. All we gotta do now is pull off the back side, and that is ready for install. And this is their high kick duckbill style spoiler. So let's go on ahead and set it on the car. But I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'm gonna get some self-tapping screws, and I'm gonna get up in there, and I'm gonna shoot those self-tapping screws right through those holes. Not really trying to take any chances with my spoiler flying off, going down the interstate. So a little bit of self-tapping screws are gonna go a long way, just for my own peace of mind. Yeah, that looks pretty good. With the body lines and the lights, it all just kind of flows together with that duckbill. So that's pretty cool. Let's go on ahead and see if we can get a better angle of it. It's really nice. It's subtle, but I honestly have never seen a duckbill like this on the road before. So there you have it, guys. That is the high kick carbon fiber spoiler for the 2015 to 2021 Subaru WRX STI. And I would consider that a premium carbon fiber component at what is a very affordable price. And so if you guys like the spoiler, or if you guys have any questions or comments on it, feel free to drop those in the comments below. But if you want to pick you guys up one of these, you can get them at extremeonlinestore.com. Let them know that GT Jesse sent you.